Good morning, 7th grade. It's algebra time. We're going to do some more factoring today. If you don't have your hat on, put your hat on because it's hat day. So, let's see. We've been talking about factoring difference of two squares, factoring perfect trinomial square, okay? Hopefully you have learned those. You need to learn them and memorize them forever. They need, look, oh gosh, you got a view up my nose, I think. Forever. They will come up over and over and over again. If you did not learn them, learn them. Okay? Study them. Know their names. Okay. Today we're going to look at what do we do when we want to factor a trinomial. A trinomial in the form of x squared plus bx, where b is some number, coefficient, plus c, where c is some number or constant. But notice that in front of x, there is nothing, or there is an invisible 1. Okay, so we are going to know clearly that x times x is going to be x squared. Let's take a look at where these even come from. They come from foiling, right? So we've done foiling. Let's take a look at this example here. We've done x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x plus positive 5x. Remember I showed you could write that negative 3x up there, positive 5x here. Put them together, I get plus 2x in the middle. And 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Well, my question is, what happens when we start here? And we get a trinomial, and we need to factor it into binomials. So let's see what that looks like. If we have this, then I can go ahead and open up two sets of parentheses. And I know that the only way to make x squared is x times x. I think we did this in class one day. I know it's been a long time, but I'm pretty sure we did this in class. So maybe it will jog your mind there a little bit. And now we need something in these two last positions that will multiply to be negative 15. So it could be 1 times 15. It could be 3 times 5. Those are our options, right? And one needs to be positive and one needs to be negative. We need them to add together to make positive 2. So if I use 1 and 15, that's not going to give me a 2 there. But if I use 3 and 5, and I say, I need this to be positive, so I'll do, let's see, plus 5 minus 3. So now let's check. X times x is x squared. Positive 5 plus negative 3x is positive 2x. That works. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. That worked. Nice job. We're doing all right here. Let's take a look at these two. Let's take a look at this one first. X squared plus 6x plus 8. So take a look at that on your own for a moment. And let's see, I'm going to open up some parentheses. What do you think I do first? That's right, x and x. Nice job. And now I'm looking for factors of 8. So numbers right here and here that will multiply to give me 8 and add up to 6. Well, I think that's, if I know my factoring, then this is not too hard. So 2 times 4 equals 8, and 2x plus 4x is 6x squared. Okay? One of the other kind that you will see is when you have a positive c value, so positive number at the end, and a negative b value. So this really is still the same thing. 2 times 4 equals 8. And 2 plus 4 equals 6. But here's where we remember, I'm going to put my x's in place, that a negative times a negative equals a positive. So negative 2 times negative 4 equals positive 8. And negative 2 plus negative 4x, negative 2x plus negative 4x is negative 6x. Okay? So give these a try. There is a new assignment to do factoring. I did it yesterday. It was pretty quick. So just think of the factors of the last number that go together to make the middle number, okay? And they're all just two sets of parentheses, factor. There's no work to show, so you can just go for it. I'm pretty sure there aren't any that have a greatest common factor either, although maybe there might be. But we're going to have a quiz tomorrow, so please study all of this, make sure you understand it and know it, and reach out to me if you have any questions. In 7th grade, we have some time together today. I will be on ready to hang out with you at 1 o'clock today. You can bring math questions. We can talk about other things. You can wear a hat or not. I might put on a different hat because it's hat day, self-declared hat day. And I hope all is well with you. Bye.